Unboxing the Arpha security cameras from Asdome. Nice packaging. Ooh, that is nice. Take it, all the accessories are in here. Pretty decent sized camera. And here's what it says on the back of the box. You can pause it or read it. Here's the one thing I like. No monthly fee. I'm going to test these things out and see how they fare against my ring setup I got. I'm going to set them up at the shop. Here's the setup. Each camera comes with its own wall mount. There's the home base that the cameras connect to. You see these? They'll be installed in the shop. Alright, so I got the Arpha security camera set up here in the office windows. So I got one set up here looking at the front parking lot, and I got the other one over here kind of looking at the front entrance. So what I'm going to do is compare them to, I got the ring cameras inside, and I've also got the floodlight ring cameras on the outside for the parking lots. We'll see how they compare. I did a screen recording. Judging between the two, I think these Arpha security cameras do pretty good, especially for the price point. And they're staring through double pane glass. Arpha security cameras are supplied by Asdome. So I think I'm pretty well set on security cameras and alarm systems for this place.